If you've forgotten your Xfinity mobile password or need to reset it for any reason, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the Xfinity mobile website. Go to the official Xfinity mobile website using your preferred web browser. Look for the sign-in option, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your information. You will be prompted to enter your Xfinity mobile username or the email address associated with your account. Fill in the required information and click Continue. Step 4. Check your email. Check your email inbox for password reset links sent by Xfinity Mobile. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click on the link provided in the email. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the instructions on the page to create a new password. Make sure it meets the security requirements, then confirm the new password and submit your changes. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Xfinity Mobile account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Xfinity Mobile customer support for further assistance.